Good morning. Are you ready to start the day? Let's wake up, get dressed, and get ready together. Want to bring our lesson into your home? You can grab a free printable starter kit in the description below to practice at home. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I wake up in the morning. Good morning. Can you wake up with me? Open your eyes, big and wide. Blink, blink, blink. I am awake. Good morning. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. Stretch up high. Can you stretch with me? Reach to the sky like a tall giraffe. Stretch to the left. Stretch to the right. Big stretch. Good job. Big stretch. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I get out of bed in the morning. Can you hop out of bed? Hop, hop, hop. Feet on the floor. No more sleepy time. It's time to start the day. I make my bed. I make my bed. I make my bed. Pull up the blanket. Smooth it down. Can you make your bed with me? Fluff the pillow. Fluff, fluff, fluff. My bed looks nice and tidy. Great job! I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. Swish. I open the curtains wide. Can you open the curtains with me? Look outside. Is it sunny today? Good morning, sunshine. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. Click. Click. Can you say click? The room is bright now. No more dark room. The light is on. So bright. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. Brush, brush, brush. Can you brush your teeth with me? Brush the top teeth. Brush the bottom teeth. Brush the back teeth, too. Sparkly clean teeth. Great job. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face. Splash, splash, splash. Can you wash your face with me? Wash your cheeks. Wash your nose. Wash your chin. Now my face feels fresh and clean. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. Comb, comb, comb. Can you comb your hair with me? Slowly and gently. Make it nice and neat. My hair looks great. Now I'm ready for the day. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Who do I see? I see me. Can you look in the mirror with me? Smile big. Make a funny face. Haha, so silly. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. Shirt first, then pants. Can you put on your clothes with me? One arm in, two arms in. Pull them up. I'm dressed and ready. I wear my socks. I wear my socks. I wear my socks. Sock on one foot, sock on the other foot. Can you put on your socks with me? Pull, pull, pull. Warm and cozy toes. Great job wearing your socks. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. One shoe, two shoes. Can you put on your shoes with me? Tap your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Now I'm ready to go outside. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. I zip my jacket. Zip! Can you zip your jacket with me? Pull it up slowly. Zip to the top. Nice and warm. Great job zipping. I carry my backpack. I carry my backpack. I carry my backpack. Put one strap on. Now the other strap. Can you carry your backpack with me? Is your backpack heavy or light? Ready for school? Let's go. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. Splash, splash, splash! Can you wash your hands with me? Rub your hands together. Clean the front. Clean the back. Now my hands are nice and clean. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. I dry my hands. Dry, dry, dry. Can you dry your hands with me? Pat your hands gently. No more water drops. Soft and dry hands feel nice. All dry now. I use soap. I use soap. I use soap. Squirt, squirt. Can you use soap with me? Rub, rub, rub. Make big bubbles. So many bubbly bubbles. Clean hands are healthy hands. I go potty. I go potty. I go potty. When I need to go, I go potty. Can you say potty? Potty time. Good job listening to your body. Wash your hands after potty time. Great job. I flush the toilet. I flush the toilet. I flush the toilet. Flush. Can you say flush? Bye-bye, potty. The toilet is clean now. Don't forget to wash your hands. Good job today. Great job today, little learners. We finished our morning routine together. Now it's time for a fun day. See you next time. Great job today. Tap the link below to get your free printable kit. Download, print, and keep the learning going.